you're going to hit the water from here, you know, and then you come right back up.
And you can relax here like over the edge. You're not going anywhere yet, okay, because you have to twice. One up. And you go flooded. I'm tipping up my guest.
Copy that.
All right, sit down for me, please. You want to be the last one going down so you can take pictures of the ones you're together with?
That's fine.
All my stuff is good. Tight.
Yeah, the one.
You're okay.
All right, man, here we go. The real deal, baby. No test right here.
You'll be good, you'll be good. It's okay, it's okay. Don't look down. You look up from the hill, okay? Or look at your hands. Go for it!
Yo, baby, there goes Melissa.
Yeah.
There goes Tammy.
You ready?
We are ready.
Oh, she's going awesome. Let her go.
Oh, yabba dabba doo.
Whee!